Hey guys, it's Nikhil and welcome back. In this video, let's talk about what's new in Apple's new iOS 17.5 update. And the first thing has to do with the wallpaper, which as you can see on the screen, it's the Pride wallpaper, which was recently released to celebrate the diversity of genders by Apple. Now to enable this wallpaper, just long press on the home screen, you'll see the new Pride wallpapers. There are 5 wallpapers by the way. These are the wallpapers. And you can set any wallpaper, and let me set this one, and let me just scroll up to see the amazing animation. I really love this. What about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is amazing. And the second thing has to do with the all new repair mode. But what is the repair mode? Generally, when you go to the Apple store, the technician asks you to disable Find My just to prove that it is your own device and they are not repairing a stolen device. But there are two problems here. One is that you can't track your iPhone while it's getting repaired, and another one is that many users had to wait for 1 hour at the Apple store thanks to stolen device protection, which did not let them turn off Find My right away. But now with this repair mode, you can assure the technician that it is your own phone, and also you can track it while it's getting repaired without any waiting at the Apple store. Now how to enable repair mode? I'll just turn on mobile data, and then I'll go to Find My. Just go to any iPhone in your list, click on it, and click on remove this device. Now you will see cannot remove iPhone, prepare this device for repair. This iPhone is linked to your Apple ID and cannot be removed while it's online, but you can still prepare it for repair. Click on continue, and your iPhone will be in repair state. But what will happen in repair state? Is there any functionality difference? No, there is no functional difference because I have enabled repair mode for this particular device and there is no difference in its functionality. But don't use the repair mode unless it's really required, because once you enable it, there is no way you could disable it. And there are two theories why. One is that Apple might have forgotten to add the button to remove repair state, or only a technician might be able to remove your device out of repair state. And the third thing is that the reading goal counter. If you are a fan of Apple books, you will see this reading goal counter at the top right corner when you open your books for the first time after downloading iOS 17.5. But this is not something new. Just click on it and you'll go to your reading goals, which was already there in the previous updates. Reading goals help you set a reading habit by setting a particular time for the day which you spend reading. If you read 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes of your day, whatever your goal is, it will show full and your reading goal is completed for the day. And what's new in this update is that book goals for a year. Just scroll down over there and you see this particular screen. Just click on it and you can adjust your goal as to how many books you want to read for this year. Maybe I think I'll just read 3 books. Just close it. And whenever you complete a book will be added into this. This is to motivate you to get serious with your reading goals or something. You know, in the previous updates, podcast only showed pink, which is its native color. But now when you're playing a podcast, the widget will mimic its cover art of the podcast instead of showing just the plain pink. Now let me play another podcast and see what will happen. Let me play this and see the color has changed. This is something new with the podcast widget. Coming to the weather widget, you see the temperature has a bit smaller font this time. When compared to the iOS 17.4 weather widget, this weather widget has a slightly smaller font for the temperature. You can see the change in the screenshot here. Regarding Apple TV Plus, while you're watching an Apple TV Plus show episode, if you want to share it, you are only able to share current episode but not the full show. Let me try it with this. Let me open it. And let me try to share this. Now, in this update, you will be able to see not only share episode but also share show. Click on share show and you will be able to send the full show to your friends. And you know there was an option called Passkeys access for web browsers in iOS 17.4. Let's go there and you see this has got a Glyph icon which was not previously there in iOS 17.4. Now, what does this do, by the way, is that applications that have requested the ability to see which websites and apps that you have saved passkeys for, whichever website asks for the access to see which passkeys you have saved, those will appear here and you will be able to turn on or off their access to it. That's something new. And if you are using switches to control your iPhone, you got something new this time. Just go to accessibility, switch control, switches. Now you see a new option called ignore invalid switch setup. If you turn this on, you won't receive any errors if the switch configuration which was set up is invalid. So that's everything new in iOS 17.5. If you like this video, just give this a like and let me know your thoughts about this. Thank you.